Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to recover Gmail account. Firstly, visit the Gmail recovery account website at g.co/recover and enter your Gmail address. Use the device you've used previously to sign in. Now, Google will ask you a personalized security questions based on your account recovery settings. Answer these questions, and depending on your account settings, Google may need to send a verification code via your email, phone number, app, or device. If you can access these codes, you can try again or press I don't have my phone number. If asked, enter an alternate email, and then when prompted, create a new password. Ensure it's strong and different from any previous passwords. Click Change Password to finalize the process. After you regain access, consider setting up additional security features to prevent future account lockouts, such as two-steps authentication, recovery options, and security alerts. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.